Hey, Matt Chan here, and let's talk about closing costs and bank escrow. What are they? How does it work? And why is it important to know about them? Escrow and closing costs are a bit confusing when buying or selling a property, but are both very important things to know. What are closing costs? Closing costs are mortgage related and are costs to a bank or lender. It is the cost to have a bank make sure that the property and the buyer are able to be financed. Costs include a credit check that checks the buyer's creditworthiness, a plot plan to see if the property's location is correct, an appraisal for the third party's opinion on a home's value, origination fee for loan paperwork, attorney or title company fees which are paid to whoever conducts the closing, recording fees that are owed to the state or county in order to record the sale at the local registry, title insurance, which is insurance on the title that your home is free of issues or encumbrances. Then there's escrow. This is an account set up with your bank as a prepaid fund for taxes and insurance. These are often prepaid closing costs when buying a home, and they often cover home insurance, real estate taxes, sometimes other bills. An important note is that you can finance most or all of your closing costs when buying a home, which is a great idea if you don't have a lot of cash in the bank. This is commonly called seller pays closing costs, but really is buyer financing them. Doing this will help if you're on a budget because less money is needed for initial costs to buy a house, which saves a lot of time and stress. Essentially, the money for closing costs and escrow are borrowed by the buyer and rolled into the loan. If you like more real estate related videos like this, check out my website, heymattchan.com. My contact information will be there. If you're interested in a realtor in Massachusetts, find me there. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget, have a wonderful day.